How to make $500 per day fast, even if you're broke. Welcome back to this video on my channel. My name is Marissa Romero, and if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you to my channel because on this channel, what you will expect is me uploading daily videos on tips and tricks on how to make money online, how to scale your business if you are a seasoned internet marketer. I talk about affiliate marketing, all things internet marketing, sales funnels, Facebook ads, e-commerce, all that great stuff. So if that is your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Alright, so today my topic is how to make $500 per day fast. When I say fast, I think it's fast. It's not, definitely not overnight fast, not even 1 week fast, probably not even 1 month fast. But if you implement these strategies and go hard for 90 days, in my opinion, you could expect to make, start to make your first sales, and then slowly after that, scale to $500 per day. So the reason I picked $500 was because today I went to the back office of one of my affiliate products. It's actually an e-commerce platform called Commerce HQ, and I noticed there's a $408 affiliate commission waiting there for me to take, and I was like, oh sweet, I totally forgot about this. And I also made 2 affiliate sales with Kartra, and those are $44 each for that that actual plan that people are on. Kartra is kind of like a ClickFunnels, an Aweber. It has email marketing and sales funnels all in one, and I'm an affiliate for that as well. So I was like, cool, $500 a day. Let me share with you guys how I did it and what I recommend. So the first thing I recommend is actually you need to start giving value and making content and building an audience on a platform. And when I say a platform, it can't be any platform. It has to be a platform that has high leverage. And what I mean by high leverage is simply where people go a lot. It's where people search stuff. People are on primarily in social media, like Google SEO, like YouTube SEO, like Instagram, and like Pinterest, because people are there so much. And I'm not mentioning Facebook because, my personal opinion, I don't think Facebook is as high leverage as those other 4 platforms. So let me write those down really quick so you can see them, and then I will get back to this lesson. Okay, so you can see I went ahead and wrote down the 4 platforms that I think have the highest leverage when you're trying to build an audience so that you can start having an audience and give value, collect leads to your business, and market your affiliate offers online, okay? I am actually, right now, what I'm focusing on is YouTube and Instagram. My number 1 recommendation is that you focus on YouTube first. If you can grow your Instagram at the same time, please do, but if you can't, do Instagram first. Do YouTube first because YouTube is number 1 priority. I actually did a story about this today on my Instagram IGTV. I talked about, because every Monday, which if you're not following me on Instagram, please do for behind the scenes content on tips and tricks that I give day-to-day basis, because every Monday I have an episode called Make Money Monday on my Instagram where I talk about how you can make money, ideas on starting a side hustle, both online and offline. So go ahead and start following me on Instagram. It's at Marissa E. Romero. And for behind the scenes content is so that we can follow each other's journeys. Alright, so back to my points about YouTube and Instagram. Those are very high leverage platforms because you will have traffic on there, evergreen traffic on there, at least in my opinion, the next decade. For YouTube, I strongly believe it's until the day that I die. When you post a video on YouTube, it's kind of like establishing online real estate. Your video will be there forever, as long as the extended life of YouTube, which I think is a very long time. YouTube is not going anywhere. And so the reason I put blog up there is because blogging is a huge way to monetize your offers, your products, and also Pinterest. I'm not there yet in my business because I'm a strong believer of focusing on one thing first, dominating it, and then going to another source of traffic once you have mastered one thing. So I will eventually have my own blog. I just can't focus on that right now because I'm growing my YouTube channel and my Instagram. So those are my main focuses, and I won't switch until I'm dominating both, okay? So pick one, get started, and stick with it and go hard for the first 90 days, okay? And now moving on to the next steps and what you do next after you pick your high leverage platform. So step 2 after this first part, when you get that established, is to find an affiliate product to promote. And you can easily find a physical or digital one on Amazon, of course, on ClickBank, on JVZoo. I have a huge YouTube playlist on ClickBank itself and how to find a profitable offer, how to make money with ClickBank. So you guys can check out those videos after this video. But first, you'll need an affiliate offer to promote, because if you're a beginner, chances are you won't have your own product to promote. So you need to promote somebody else's product the way I did and make money off that first. And once you get good at that, and once you start making big profits with affiliate products, you can start to create your own product in whatever expertise you have, okay? So, you know, the way I made $500 was from leverage, selling someone else's product, and also having my YouTube platform as my online real estate of doing review videos on different products and also giving value. And that was how I was able to make my money today with the affiliate products I was promoting. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is build a simple 2-step sales funnel. So right here I talk about, or I don't talk about, this is an illustration of your first step in your sales funnel, which is called the landing page. This is where people click on a link, which is going to be in the description of your YouTube channel, and where they're going to click on a link, come to a landing page where it's going to have a nice headline, maybe a sub-headline, and it's going to have a field or an area where people can opt in by putting their name and email right here. And this is called, another word is called a capture page, because this is where you capture people's information. And once you get that lead, that information is going to go into your autoresponder or your email marketing platform. So before I talk about that, part 2 in your sales funnel is going to be your thank you page. Now, your thank you page is going to have language on it, something like congratulations for opting in. You're going to be looking forward to X, Y, and Z, blah, blah, blah. And your thank you page is going to tell them what to do next. So it's going to have a button or a link to your affiliate offer. And your affiliate offer, if it's a good one, and if it don't promote a bad one, and a good one will always have its own sales video, a good product is going to have a good sales video. So you want your thank you page to direct people straight to the sales video and the offer, okay? And this is very important because you want people to watch the sales video as soon as possible. So on the, I don't want to say back end, but step 4 in, you know, making $500 a day and building up your affiliate marketing business is step 4. I don't know if, can you guys see that? Yeah. Step 4 is to do email marketing. So don't worry, guys. I'll leave links in the description for all these steps in depth, because I've done in-depth videos on all of them, and I'll put them on cards up here as well. But email marketing is very important because chances are people are not going to buy your promo or your offer or your affiliate product on the first site online, because people aren't looking to generally to buy online. So it usually takes 7 times for people to see an offer before they purchase from you or whoever, the company, and that's just kind of industry standard. So when you have a lead coming into your system, you want to go ahead and set up an autoresponder or an email follow-up series where people that get on your list will be promoted the offer 7 more times via email. So you want to set up an email series 7 days long or longer, at least 7 days minimum, okay? Some people have autoresponder series that are like 45 days. So it's up to you guys. You guys can expand on the email series follow-ups. Your company that you are doing promotional offers and affiliate marketing for, if they're good with affiliate resources, they will provide you email swipes that you can use as templates, so you don't have to make up the emails on your own. But you can edit the email templates, like to put your name and your signature and your brand, maybe even change up a couple of the words if you want to make it your voice and stuff like that. So these are my 4 steps to making $500 per day online fast. And I'm not saying overnight, because there's no way to make money online overnight fast within a week or a day. You know, a reasonable time is 3 to 6 months of grinding and pushing hard. Again, guys, if you want, I have a free affiliate marketing course that goes over all of these steps in much depth. It's a video training series. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click the first link below. It's a free course that I have. Go ahead and grab that. It'll just cost you your name and email. And that is pretty much it. Let me know in the comments if you guys got any value from this video. Go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up if you liked this video, or a thumbs down if you hated it. And of course, guys, I will see you on the next video. Take care. Have a great day wherever you are.